So I'm okay. It's just my voice is a little rough right now.
Okay.
Yeah, I took 2 COVID tests and both were negative. So yeah.
So I'm starting a new job today.
Did you get it?
Yeah, I'm working at Honda actually.
Oh, right on.
Yeah.
Good for you, man.
Yeah.
That's great.
Yeah.
Good news. You're starting today?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So okay. So today's gonna be your like mock road test. This thing right here.
Okay.
And you could take this home like with my notes and all that.
Okay. Cool.
It breaks it down into sections, so you'll be able to know exactly what
That's
you're looking for.
okay. That's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll study that for
Yeah,
sure.
but like if you want to go on Google, you can even enter some of these as search terms. So okay,
Great. Cool.
you're ready to go.
Yeah.
Okay. I haven't had to wear a mask there since like, for so long.
I know, it's so weird. Like, I haven't worn a mask in months.
You have to wear one at work or?
No. Thank
No.
God.
Yeah. I know.
Thank
Jeez.
God. Okay, just out here.
Yeah, we'll go out
Alright.
this way and then we'll turn left at the lights.
Okay.
We'll head out to the test area.
Alright.
Of course, my glasses fog up.
God, it's bright out today.
Yeah.
So,
Left. This is probably the quickest way to get out here. Get over there. Honda, that's over on the Kingsway, isn't
yeah,
it?
yeah,
Palladino?
yes,
Right on.
yeah. So, I'm gonna be the receptionist there.
It's a good company to work for.
Yeah, they were really nice. Like, when I got, like, the interview, even the receptionist, I'm gonna be, like, she's gonna be training me. She was super nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, so, I think it'll go good. Is it a 50 here?
Yep, 50. 50 till we get onto the highway. Yeah, I had texted you last night. I guess you missed it.
Right, I don't really check my messages. It's kind of bad.
That's okay.
But, yeah, I saw the email, so I kind of just figured that. Yeah, and then they called me to rebook
Just to
it.
let you know.
Yeah.
When did they rebook you for?
On the 16th
Yeah.
of December, I think.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure.
Does that work out for you? Or?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Yeah, I had to cancel 2 days. Jeez.
Okay. Yeah, well, it's before my shift. It's at, like, this time on the
Okay.
16th, so I'll be fine. So I only start at 2.
Okay. Feel bad canceling on people, but
it's okay.
there's not much I could do about it.
Yeah. Well, I mean, I had to cancel once before because my car was literally
Oh yeah, that's right.
But,
But at least you'll get it done before Christmas anyway. After this, you only have one left to do anyway, so then you'll be done. So we'll be taking that LaSalle exit over here.
okay.
How's your car running? Good?
Good, yeah.
Yeah?
The brakes are still a little squeaky there, but probably gonna have to get the brake pads changed and stuff.
Yeah, for sure.
Here, right?
Yep, this is the one. Yeah, before it gets too bad. Probably just the beads there right now, just like warning beads.
Yeah, because like you were saying, like when it gets bad, you hear grinding. I haven't heard that, so I think I'm fine. But
I mean, I've driven a lot of different cars, different problems,
right.
and even when the brakes start to grind, you don't lose braking power.
Okay.
That's the.
So my brakes won't stop working.
No,
Okay.
but they'll be loud.
Right.
They'll be scary sounding,
Yeah.
and at that point, yeah, you absolutely have to take it in immediately. Kind of nurse it back home or nurse it to the mechanics.
Yeah.
If it comes to that. And it's more expensive to fix though too.
Yeah, exactly. Like I had to go back to the French, and I was telling my dad, I was like, I don't know, the car just kind of squeaky when I press on the brakes, so I don't know if I should stay in Sudbury. And he's like, oh no, you're fine. And I was like, are you sure? I was like, if I crash, this is on you. And he's like, no, you'll be fine. I'll check it out when you get home. Well, I was fine, but the last time he said that was when my tire almost fell off, because he was like, just come home, you'll be fine. And then the repair guy said, wow, I'm surprised your tire did not fall off on your way home. Yeah, I guess he said, like, if I would have hit, like, one, like, pothole or a rock or something, my tire probably would have just
fallen right off.
And I was on the highway. I was going like 100, so that crashing, going 100, that's not fun.
I lost a wheel there one time. Going over the train tracks on Moonlight on the way to the beach.
Oh. How do you, like, what do you do if, like, your tire falls off? Try to control it the best you can.
Well, for what happened to me was just like I was going real slow over the tracks because they were really bad. So yeah, as soon as I got across the tracks, the wheel fell off.
Wow.
And there was, just had to call the tow truck basically. You can't push it off the road because there's a wheel missing.
Right. Right.
And the funny thing is, it happened twice in that car.
Really?
Yeah. It was a piece of crap, that thing.
Yeah.
Move into that. It's an old Dodge Omni. Rust bucket.
Yeah, one of my friends, she lives in Ottawa, and she was driving, like, on the main, like, highway, and her tire just fell right off, like, it was, like, on the main road. That'd be scary, like, busy city.
Yeah.
It's like a 4 lanes.
Right on the highway there. I think that's 416, I think. Roundabout. I'm going to take LaSalle here. So, for the mock road test, basically we're going to go up to the Princess Auto parking lot.
Okay.
And we start from there. You know how long the real test is?
No. How long?
It's only 15 minutes.
Really?
Yeah.
That's not bad.
All this training for 15 minutes.
Yeah.
You already got your G2, so you're
Yeah.
just going for like a highway drive, basically.
Which is something I do, like, all the time. So.
Yeah. So really, the stuff that we're doing today, you won't even be doing it for your road test, like the parallel parking.
Right.
You'll be doing like reverse parking, possibly forward parking.
Okay. That's not bad.
But they just test you on Melee Drive over there,
Right.
that route that I showed you. With your certificate, you'll be able to get that little insurance discount too.
Yeah. That's kind of the main reason why we got it. But
Yeah. Not sure how much of a discount it is, like with the percentages.
yeah, I don't know. I don't know if it's a lot or what. My parents were pretty persistent on me getting this.
Yeah. Well, that's good. That's good. No harm in it. No money out of your pocket either. Eh?
Exactly.
It's just your time.
Yep.
Princess Auto is.
Yeah, it's on the right.
Yeah.
Like just up there, I think.
Yeah.
Is there only one test center in Sudbury?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. I think they should have another one in South End.
Yeah, I remember when I was trying to get my G2, like especially with COVID, it was so booked up that like I had to wait. Like so, I couldn't get my appointment. Like, 'cause if you take your driver's ed like in that 8-month span or something, you can get your G2 earlier. Well, I couldn't even get my G2 earlier because they were so booked up. So
Yeah.
like I just have to wait that full year anyways.
A lot of people.
That's why I slacked off with this. I didn't book it right away.
There was a lot of disappointed people.
Yeah.
I'm going to make a right down the first laneway here. We'll go down to the end and we'll make a left turn. And then down to the end again. And a left turn
Here?
down the
okay.
at the end of the laneway. And we'll back it into the space beside the red car.
Okay. You put when you turn, you put signal on, right?
When the timing for putting your signal on should be as soon as you enter the laneway. So as you're searching for a spot, then
Okay, then you okay.
yeah,
Alright.
and then it stays on for the whole maneuver. No issues with this at all. So I see you glancing at the monitor and you're not relying on it, so it's okay to like glance at it like you are. Same with the side mirrors too, just glancing at them, but your primary line of sight should be over your shoulder, just like
Right.
you're doing. So that's good.
Okay. So
And then yeah, go ahead and finish her up. Engage
Okay.
parking brake, and that completes the whole maneuver.
alright.
You have that automatic
Yes.
thing too, so you're gonna have to remember to verbalize that.
Okay.
then,
Right.
for sure.
Okay.
So okay, they won't have the radio on for the road test, and we'll start you off at 11:50.